A few moments later.
That was a good cookie. Wait, that was the last cookie? And all my cupboards are bare. I guess I'm gonna have to go buy the ingredients for another one. Hey everyone, I'm Carson, and today we're gonna learn how to make a shopping list from a recipe. First, I found the recipe I wanted to use to make cookies. Then I got the shopping list that you can download for yourself in the description below, perfectly set for this recipe. Alright, so I need your help with the shopping list. I need you to tell me each ingredient as we go along. So, for example, what's the first ingredient I need to write down on my shopping list from the recipe? If you said all-purpose flour, you'd be correct. Alright, what's the next ingredient on the list? If you said baking soda, you're correct. What's the third ingredient I need? If you said salt, good job. What's the next ingredient? If you said butter, congratulations, you're correct. What's the next ingredient? If you said granulated or white sugar, you'd be correct. What's the next ingredient I need? If you said brown sugar, congratulations, you're correct. Tell me which ingredient I need next. If you said vanilla extract, you'd be absolutely correct. What's the next ingredient? If you said eggs, congratulations, you're right. What's the next ingredient on the list? If you said chocolate chips, good job, you're right. What's the last ingredient I need? If you said chopped nuts, you're right. Thanks everyone for helping with my shopping list. Join in next week to help me go shopping and get the ingredients from the store. Bye!